Welcome to part 2 of my watermelon mukbang video. As you can see, I have already started eating the watermelon. I just want to say thank you to all my friends and family that find me eating watermelon so interesting. It is pretty cool. I don't really have any kind of a plan or direction for this YouTube channel, other than maybe some kind of like active vlog of me doing random things on my free time. I've been wanting to make a YouTube channel for a couple years now. That's not related to the TV show that I'm not going to mention. But I don't know. I was just kind of gotten like discouraged by other people, and I don't really listen to anybody anymore. So I'm just going to do my own thing, and I'm going to do what I want to do, like eat watermelon. But, I've always wanted to make a YouTube channel ever since I was like 13. I used to have a YouTube channel where I would make little skits and stuff. But I think it'd be cool to do little stupid videos like this that are real easy and simple, instead of having, lights and multiple cameras and all kinds of stuff. So a couple of you seem kind of interested in my family history, or history from my family. Like I said, my grandparents are from Dilley, Texas, and they grew up as field workers, and they would pick like cotton and all kinds of other vegetables and stuff like that. And watermelon grows down there in the summertime, so I'm sure after a long day of picking cotton, watermelon would be pretty sweet. So this is how much watermelon I have left from that first time I ate it. I've taken like 2 slices off of it since then. One of you seem to be kind of concerned about the fact that I don't really spit out the seeds. It doesn't really bother me to swallow the seeds. It's just time consuming. You know what's crazy? I actually saw a video that was saying that whenever seeds are spat out by a person, the seeds take like a DNA fingerprint of your saliva, and once that seed grows, it will be like rich in certain nutrients that are designed for your body. Which, I don't know, that seems like a little much, but I mean, like, why not? That would be pretty cool if that was true. I wish there was a seed I could eat that would repel mosquitoes, because they're really bad right now. I live in the middle of nowhere, so I just throw the watermelon peels over the cliff. There's a river right there, but it's dry right now. The watermelon is more ripe than it was last time. It's more soft in the center, more like sweet. I remember I would get so excited when I was little, and my grandparents would cut open a watermelon. I actually ate a lot more fruits and vegetables as a kid than I do as an adult. been having stomach issues all week. So I've been eating like Greek yogurt and like applesauce and like really soft stuff. And it reminds me of when I was little, because my grandparents were elderly people. So they had like nothing but soft, easy food on the stomach. I'm getting lit up by mosquitoes. I'm probably just going to finish this piece. But comment and let me know what you would like to see in this YouTube channel, because I'll be doing random stuff all the time. And, you know, even if it's just making videos for like my friends and family, I think that's pretty cool. I got like 20 views and like a bunch of comments in like the first hour that the first video had. So that was pretty encouraging, but I like that it was just a lot of my friends. I've barely been eating, so I ate the watermelon to kind of stretch out my stomach. That's why I ate as much as I possibly could the other day, because my stomach's been so like small and compressed because I've barely been eating. Oh, I couldn't even keep food down for like 3 days, so my complete system was totally out of whack. One of the cats around here had kittens, and I took one. It's in my house right now. It's sleeping. Comment if you want to see a cat in the next video. You know, watermelon is really good if you're just hungry. Like, because I'm hungry, and part of me wants to just go get some BS food, but I know that's gonna mess my stomach up if I do that. So I was like, okay, let me just eat watermelon. Really good for a diet, probably, because you can eat as much as you want and it doesn't affect you, and it's sweet. I could never get sick of watermelon. I could eat watermelon every day. I have been for like 3 days. I ate watermelon yesterday and I didn't show anybody. Selfish of me. Very selfish. There's gonna be a deer that finds all the watermelon rinds and eats them. And if it eats them in like a week, it'll get drunk. Every time you take a bite, it's like a cool, refreshing. I imagine this would be awesome if you were dehydrated. I've been really dehydrated too, so this has been helping a lot. Get your kids into watermelon. Every kid likes watermelon. Get everybody into it. Everybody should eat watermelon every year. It should be a part of everyone's diet. I condone watermelon. I found this at Walmart, by the way, but this sucks. I'd rather have like a machete or something. Just to like... This thing sucks. But it's cool looking. Okay. Alright, that's enough of that. You guys have a good day. Like and subscribe. if you want to see me eat more watermelon.